Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Know UPSC. This is our day 6 of 60 days NCRT challenge. Today we are going to understand UPSC main syllabus of GS paper 4, which is ethics, integrity and aptitude. GS GS paper 4 is different from all other papers because it focuses on your values, attitude, honesty, decision making and ethical behavior. So this paper tests not only what you know, but also how you think and act in real life situations. Let's understand the major sections. First is ethics and human interface, which includes ethics in public life, human values, family, society, and educational influences. Focus is to understand ethical principles and their application in human relations. Second is attitude. Third is aptitude and foundational values for civil services. Fourth is emotional intelligence. Fifth is contribution of thinkers and moral philosophers. Sixth is public civil services values and ethics in public administrations. Seventh is probity in governance. And lastly is our case studies. So you can read these things, and also if we look at the GS paper 4 is one of the highest scoring papers in UPSC mains when prepared when you prepared properly. So you need to focus on GS paper 4 as well for highest scoring papers. So for today your task is just write, read and learn the GS paper 3 syllabus. Also have a crisp notes on it. Also, try to revise whatever you have learned yet. That's it for today. So, having a crisp notes as well. So, also understand real life examples of ethical dilemmas. Examples of ethical dilemma and start maintaining a collection of examples, quotes, and ethical stories. Remember, GS4 is about developing the mindset and values expected from a future civil servant. I will give you an example also. One of IAS officer had a notebook of only case studies based examples. She had made a notebook for only examples, real life based with solutions. So you can also do this thing if you are preparing for GS paper 4. That's it for today. All the best. We'll meet in our next day. At last, have a look on UPSC GS paper 4 syllabus. Also, the crisp notes you can read as well.